Hello students, welcome to our channel. This is Anand Kumar Singh. Today we are going to discuss another topic of matrices of class 12. Today's topic is about addition and scalar multiplication of matrices. What is the addition of matrices? If we take two matrix A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and let B be another one having elements 2, 3, 4, 5. Then if we take A plus B, that is if we want to add A and B, then the corresponding elements of A and B will be added up. That is, the first row and first column's element is 1. 1 is here first row and first column. 1 is here in first row and first column. And 2 is here also in first row and first column. So 1 plus 2 will be 3. Similarly, for 2, it falls on the first row and second column. First row and second column, and 3 is also the same position. In the same position, 2 plus 3 will be 5. 3 and 4 will be added up. After we will have 7, and 4 plus 5. From there, we will get 9. Okay. Now, what is the rule of addition of two matrices? If we are going to take the addition of any two matrices, then at first we need to know what is the order of the matrices. That is, if we want to find the sum of A and B, then at first we have to focus on the order of A and order of B. Order of A is given here 1, 2. Number of rows 2 and number of columns 1 and 2, 2. For the B matrix, it is also the same. If the two matrices having the same order, then the addition is defined. Otherwise, it is not possible to find out the addition of A and B. Okay. Now, scalar multiplication of matrices. If we take a matrix A of elements 1, 2, 3, 4, then the scalar multiplication of A is defined as C into A is equal to C into 1, 2, 3, 4. Multiplying C with all the elements, that is C into 1, C into 3, C, 3 into C, 3C, C into 2 and C into 4, C into 2, 2C and C into 4, 4C. So, what is the scalar multiplication of a matrix? If we take a matrix A having elements A, I, J of order m by n and C be any scalar, then the scalar multiplication of A with the scalar C is defined as C into A, that is C, A, I, J, m by n. That is, if we are given a matrix A of elements 1, 2, 3, 4 and given a scalar, that is C, is multiplied with A, then we just need to multiply C with all the elements of A, that is C into 1, C into 3, C into 2, C into 4. It is known as scalar multiplication of matrices. Okay. If you students find this lecture helpful to you, please support us.